In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find Chatgpt traffic in Google Analytics. To get started, open Google Analytics and make sure you are on the home area for the correct property. This is the main landing page where you can confirm you are in the right account before you dive into reporting. If you manage more than one website or app, take a moment to double-check that the name and property you expect are selected, because the numbers can look very different across properties. Next, go to the left-hand navigation and click on Reports. Reports is where Google Analytics groups the standard, ready-to-use views of your traffic and performance. From here, you will work your way into the acquisition reports, which are designed to show you where your visitors are coming from. Inside Reports, click on the highlighted section in the menu so you can expand the available report categories. Once that section opens up, click on Traffic Acquisition. Traffic Acquisition focuses on sessions, meaning it shows the sources that started visits on your site, which is exactly what you want when you are trying to find traffic coming from Chatgpt links. When the traffic acquisition report loads, look for the primary dimension at the top of the table. By default, it is often set to something like Session Primary Channel Group. Click that dimension drop-down and then select Session Source/Medium. This switches the table to show more detailed origin information, such as the referring site and how it was categorized. Now use the search or filter field above the table to narrow down the list. Click into that field and type Chatgpt. As you type, the table should filter so you can quickly spot any entries that include Chatgpt in the source or medium. If you do not see results right away, try shortening the search to Chat. This can help catch variations in how the source is labeled. Once you see the matching rows, you can review the session counts and any engagement or conversion metrics shown in the table to understand how that traffic is performing. And that is all there is to it.